Hello friends.
You often heard these legendary words quite some time from an otaku. Otaku, well, by this I meant those creatures who watch anime. In other words, what you people usually call Japanese animations. Why these creatures love Japanese animations more than Nutella and read comics more than their own syllabus, and why they are the way they are. Well, this mystery have not been cracked down by normal people, but because we are amongst them too, so we can help you. So let's begin.
Here we go.
Well, today I will introduce you to these creatures known as otaku. If this video is recommended to you by someone else, then most probably that someone is one of the civilian of that nation. Just for your knowledge, let me tell you, people who watch Japanese cartoons and read comics are called otaku. Yeah, that's me. I am otaku. Japanese cartoons actually known as animes. Mangas are the comic books, but for easiness you can assume it as stories with pictures. Otakus and weebs are gone insane by watching animes and are so much single like me that they start considering Hinata as their wife or Ushi Takumi as their husband. In their imaginary world, they also imagine wedding with these characters, but in the end, they get married to their uncle's wife George or girl Elizabeth. Poor us. If you also have similar imaginary thoughts about your wedding like me, then I have a very humble advice for you to start searching for otaku boy or otaku girl before any regrets. Once an otaku finished any anime series, they non-stop start blabbering about it and also force others to listen to their anime stories. They act like an old grandma who tells folk stories to their grandchildren, or one of your foreign cousins who blabber about their rich lifestyles, or your friend who recently come from a foreign trip and tell his adventures. If one of their favorite anime character dies, they mourn like their own family member dies, or a girl whose expensive dress is ruined while ironing. If you ask them about their favorite dish, they will tell you ramen. If you talk to them about Hawaii, they will start talking about Tokyo. Not Tokyo Money Heist, but Tokyo of Japan. Normie mobile gallery is full of pictures of their girlfriend or boyfriend or themselves. But Otaku mobile gallery is full of anime pictures. They post anime pictures on mobile covers, wallpaper, keychain, t-shirt, posters or bags and declare their love for them by doing this. One of my friends have notebook like Light Yagami from Death Notebook, in which she writes the name of people which she hates. And I have manga wall in my room. Having customized things are not enough for them. So then they also customize themselves and their habits. For example, running like Naruto, cracking fingers like Ken Kaneki, sitting like L from a Death Notebook, jumping or playing volleyball from Haikyuu. Well, I have done all these things and don't feel embarrassed at all. A time also appears in Otaku's life that they start understanding basic Japanese. Noobs will never understand that happiness which Otaku feel at that time. The characters like Uzumaki Naruto, Tanjiro Kamado, Princess Yona, Hinata Shoyo, and Misaki Ayuzawa. They gone from zero to hero because of their hard work, consistency, and spirit of never give up. These type of stories motivate you to never lose hope against life obstacles and give your best in everything. Life is more than just getting married and nibba nibbi. Everyone should dream about their goals and do hard work to fulfill them. If you like our video, please like, share and comment. We are waiting for your feedback. Thank you.